Hello and welcome to my Sunday Fun. Today we're going to be opening these packages and let's see what we got today in this haul. So I got these golden throat lozenges, and I didn't know they were tiny, but these costed me actually like, I don't know, like $8 or something. And these are like not like anything else I have ever seen. It says Luhan Guo fruit. It supports healthy throat, freshens breath, and sugar free. And their herbal support of ginseng, honey, and ginger, which is important for vocalists, which is why I got them. Now here you can see I have to open it some more, a little bit more, and see what I think they're in tablets or something. So just gotta put this away and open the tabs just like so. And the tabs look like this. I thought they would be prettier, but let's try them. So this is them, as you can see. This is the tabs, and they just have a G on them. They taste very herbal. They're kind of sweet. Yeah, immediately I feel like a very refreshing flavor. And in my mouth was like revealed, I guess. But through this whole herbal, this like herbal kind of like heavy, it's real heavy, the strength of the flavor. As far as refreshing my vocals, let's see. I don't know. Maybe I should wake up a little bit more. But I definitely feel like a kick. It's definitely giving me like a big kick. It kind of refreshed my breath, but as far as like my vocals, I guess with time and use of them, maybe. But I mean, I'll give them a 5 out of 10 because it was a big like wake up in my mouth. So this package is a cute little box. This is a very cute little box. It says Apple Cell, so I'm thinking it's a watch. So no, it's actually bracelets. And it's actually a set, which I literally only paid $2.99 for both these. So they came in a set for $2.99. I think that's a win-win for me. I mean, I might be wrong, but to me, that's entirely a win. Let's give it a polish because it just looks like this right now. And let's see what it can do. I guess it looks a little bit duller on the screen for me. I don't know. I don't know what you guys are gonna get end game when I try to correct it on the editing. But I mean, here it's like really really easy to polish. And here it is, polished up. And I guess it does, do a really good job. Um, and I polish everything that I wear. If I'm not gonna wear it, I will keep it just as is, just because I don't want, to risk messing it up. I'd rather just keep it how it is, and then when I wear it, I'll decide then. But for the most part, whenever I'm gonna wear it, I'll definitely give it a little rub with a polishing cloth. As you can see, like this one kind of needed it. Sometimes I'll rinse it with like soap and water, like dish soap, because most of the time I get like things that are easy to clean. I don't generally get hard to clean jewelry. And for me, it's like important that, I have everything ready to go. So this one looks like it needs a good wash, but pretty much this is it. I think it's cute, but it fits me kind of big because I'm kind of petite. So let's put this to the side. I'm not too sure about that. And here we have another little package. Let's see what's in it. Oh, certified handmade jewelry. This is a watch. So right here, this is the brand Hulukaka, right? And here's my watch that I bought. You just gotta remove the little thing on the top and you can get to it. I'd rather use this. This is for glass, this yellow one. So that's the crystal. Usually watches are made of quartz or crystal on the top, and it will designate what it's made of, usually on the packaging. But like I said, I like to give it a little rub down and see what it's all about. So I don't really like rose gold, but I went ahead and got rose gold. And let's see. I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty. I like it. It doesn't, I don't know. It's not very, very like different to me in my eyes than copper, brass, and even like regular yellow gold. It doesn't look that much different. So, I mean, it looks alright. And hopefully it comes with like it comes with the battery already and stuff. I think it does. Because like it says something, yeah, it says something in there like a warning, it has battery. So I'll just figure out how to turn this on the manual. Oh, it has like a little plastic clasp. I guess I remove the plastic clasp and then push it down. It's usually how most new watches work. Um, there it is. So it fits me like way too big. So I don't see myself wearing it. But I mean, it was cute. to the side and see what's in the next box. And we'll get that open. Oh, I bought shampoo. I forgot what I had bought shampoo. How do you open this? Let's see. Oh, that watch costed only, I think, like less than $15. And this costed, isn't this cute? That's so cute. This costed like $6, I believe, but it was like limited quantity. It looks like it says professional shampoo. It's called Orients. I don't know. I have to cut it open. It has like a cute front. Let's see about the smell. Oh, this smells really good, and it's like a pretty color, like you can see. It's like a pearly color. And it says for weak and thin hair types, chamomile extract and tilia bud extract. So I drink both of those as tea. But for hair, I mean, if you have light color hair like me, chamomile is a really, really, really godsend because it keeps your hair kind of toned and kind of like healthy. Like it keeps your hair really, really, pretty. And I think it's good for your scalp too because chamomile is a tea, like we drink it as a tea, but what it does topically, it can do, like what it does internally when you drink it, like it can do topically as well and provide benefits on your scalp as well as your hair strands. And you will notice the difference once you start using chamomile shampoo. And this is the cheapest chamomile shampoo I have found. And I'm not sure if they are going to restock, but it's called Orient's Professional Shampoo. And like I said, it has chamomile and tilia. It says right here, no silicone, phytokerosene, and provitamin B5. So it's flexing that it has all these benefits like provitamin B5 in it. Anyways, this, I can't wait to try it. So there, and get the rest out. Basically, it's just my green tea. And this isn't the green tea that I usually get. I usually get diet green tea. But this is 100 calories per bottle. And that's pretty good. It still gives you the benefits of regular green tea. So, I mean, I hope you guys like my haul. If you do, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll check you out on the next one. May sound different. Bye bye.